If you use WhatsApp, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see WhatsApp latest speak option you need to try out right now. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. Next thing you need to do is to come to the search right here, and what you need to do right here is to type in accessibility, then click on accessibility right here, then scroll down right here and click on select to speak. Next thing you need to do, select to speak shortcut. Make sure you turn on this button. Allow select to speak to have full control of your device. Simply click on allow, then use accessibility button to open. Click on got it. It's that simple. Next thing you need to do is simply go back to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to simply open up my WhatsApp right here. Then select a chat that you want to read. Click and hold down on the message. Then click on the mic. Then click on play. It's as simple as that. I hope you find this feature interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.